So I'm Rob Faludi, and we're here at Embedded World 2024 with Digi International doing workshops for some of our key customers and some newbies as well on the XBee Global Cellular module and its capabilities as seen in our brand new kit made with our partner SparkFun Electronics. So this includes an XBee, a development board, custom development board made by them, antennas, SIMs, everything you need to get started with cellular IoT. The reason we're doing it here at Embedded World is we want to really introduce embedded developers, engineers, and the managers that they work with to the power of XBee Cellular and the XBee ecosystem. So today we took a look at XBee Studio program, which is the new configuration tool that can configure either a local XBee or through Digi Remote Manager, an XBee module anywhere in the world. We showed off data streams, which are a way of getting data into Digi Remote Manager where customers can pick it up using our API and integrate it with their own application. We also looked at a bunch of the capabilities on the XBee itself. So the purpose of the workshop is to give a taste of all these different XBee capabilities, including building an end-to-end sensor network in under 45 minutes, which we accomplished today.